2018 Nissan Sentra 4-cylinder. I'm gonna demo to you on how to reset the tire maintenance light on the dash. When you turn the key on, you'll see the notification maintenance tire. So we're gonna leave the ignition on the way it is right now, and we're gonna press this button here till we get the right subheading. So that's where we want it, and we're gonna scroll down now. I'll keep far away so you can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna go down to maintenance and press enter, and then we're gonna scroll down and choose tire, and it's obviously over the kilometer or close, but we're gonna go ahead and reset it in either case because the light is on. So we're gonna scroll down, and that's where we are, and we're gonna press enter, which is this button here. It's confirming. We're gonna choose yes, and now it's back to 0. So we did it, everything's good to go. Gonna turn the ignition switch off and then turn it back on and see if we have the notification. Yeah, it looks like it's gone, good to go. There's no notification. That's just a warning, but because the hood is open. So once we close the hood, should be okay, but the tire light is gone now. Thank you very much.